Hello, this is a really simple guide on how to download and access Microsoft Teams, which you're going to need in the next year to complete a lot of your assignments and lessons. If you don't have a way of getting online, don't worry, we can help. Just talk to your tutors and we'll try and find a way to sort this out for you. If you don't have access to Wi-Fi at home, a mobile with enough data, a quiet place to study at home, or a mobile, tablet or PC that you can use regularly, please don't leave things. It's vital you can access lessons online, so talk to us. You must use Microsoft Teams for your English and Maths lessons. If you do not attend online lessons, you will be marked as absent and eventually lose your place at college. English and Maths are part of your course and you must attend them if they're on your timetable. You can access Microsoft Teams via a PC, mobile or tablet, and the software is free. The first time you have to set this up is a bit fiddly, but after this, everything's done. The first time you want to use Microsoft Teams, you need to go to the App Store if you've got an iPhone, Google Play if you've got an Android phone, or if you've got a PC, go directly to the Microsoft Store online. Once you're there, download the Microsoft Teams app. Once you've done that, log in with your student number at student.cityofbristol.ac.uk. So you're logging in with your student number at student.cityofbristol.ac.uk. The good news is you only have to do this once and then you're in forever. Screen number 2 is a bit easier. All you have to do there is when it asks you to log in, put your student number, and then it will say password. This could still be the word password unless you've used a PC account or PC in the college and you changed the password to something that you would remember. Once you've done that and press login, you're into Teams and everything starts.